the dual pursuit of personal and professional fulfillment. In the demanding world of healthcare, professionals often find themselves juggling the dual challenges of personal growth and professional advancement. This balancing act is about climbing the career ladder and nurturing one's well-being and personal life. Understanding the unique demands of healthcare careers. Long hours, emotional demands, and the constant need to stay updated with medical advancements take a toll. Recognizing and addressing these unique demands is crucial for career longevity and personal happiness. Strategies for professional development. Continuous learning. The healthcare field is ever evolving, and staying abreast of new developments is vital. Sami Almadi, for instance, places great emphasis on continuous learning as a cornerstone of professional growth. Networking can also be a source of support, offering advice and guidance when facing professional challenges. Prioritizing personal well-being. Physical and mental health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest are non-negotiable. Navigating challenges and setbacks. Facing and overcoming these challenges is a part of the growth process. Balancing personal and professional goals. Maintaining ethical standards and empathy. These values define a professional's character and contribute to their overall growth and reputation in the field. Embracing change and innovation. Embracing change also fosters a mindset of continuous improvement, which is essential for growth in the fast-paced world of healthcare. The role of reflection in growth. Reflection is a powerful tool for personal and professional development, as it fosters self-awareness and a deeper understanding of one's path. The harmonious blend of personal and professional growth. Balancing personal and professional growth in healthcare is beneficial and essential for a sustainable career.